Spring is finally here, and you know what that means. Time to get our garden beds ready. If you do it properly, your soil can feed your plants for the whole year, and you won't have to keep adding compost or fertilizers again and again. The secret is simple. Use whatever organic materials you have at home or in your garden, layer them properly, and let the soil do its magic. Believe me, once you follow these steps, your garden will practically take care of itself. First, pick the place where you want to make your bed. It can be an existing patch, a raised bed, or even a fresh spot in your backyard. The idea is to layer your organic materials in such a way that they slowly break down and nourish the soil. When things decompose naturally, they release nutrients steadily, and your plants love that. Start collecting all the organic stuff you have. Kitchen scraps, leftover vegetables, fruit peels, garden trimmings, anything that's natural can go in. Instead of throwing away overgrown or unused vegetables, chop them up and add them to the bed. For example, we had some radishes that had grown too big, so we just chopped them into small pieces and spread them evenly. Chopping is important because smaller pieces break down faster and feed the soil more quickly. After spreading your chopped vegetables, put any fruit peels or kitchen scraps on top. Banana peels, orange peels, apple cores, papaya skins, everything is useful. At first it may look like just waste, but give it some time, and the soil will convert it into plant food. Your plants will thank you with healthier leaves and better growth. Next, cover everything with a layer of garden soil. Not too thick, just enough to cover all the organic material. The soil helps the decomposition process start, keeps pests away, and keeps your bed looking tidy. Once the soil is in place, sprinkle some fully decomposed manure on top. Properly aged manure is fantastic for the garden because it's full of nutrients and helpful microorganisms. These little creatures help break down the vegetables and peels faster and improve the overall texture of the soil. While adding manure, break any big chunks into smaller pieces so the surface stays even. Spread it nicely across the bed and level it a little. Once your bed looks smooth and ready, it's time to water it properly. Give the whole bed a good soaking. Moisture is the key that activates all the tiny microbes in the soil, and they start their work of turning your scraps into rich nutrients. After watering, you just let the bed rest for 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, worms, bacteria, and fungi will quietly work under the surface, breaking down everything into humus that your plants can easily absorb. Keep an eye on the bed and make sure it stays slightly moist. No need to flood it, but if the soil starts to dry out, give it a gentle watering. Moisture keeps the decomposition process healthy and quick. In just a few weeks, your garden bed will transform completely. Much of the material you buried will be partially broken down, making the soil nutrient-rich and ready for planting. You can then sow your vegetables, herbs, or flowers directly into this bed.